The 2015 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.